Hey, what's up, guys? I just purchased this LED replacement compact fluorescent tube. It's supposed to directly replace this, which is the traditional phosphorescent tube. That's the starter right there. It's the side vending machine. This is supposed to work with this without modifying the ballast or anything like this. As you can see, it says here, direct replacement for fluorescent lamps. This LED lamp supports electronics and magnetic ballasts, which are required. So yeah, you could definitely use, well, we're about to find out if we could use this. I'm gonna turn off the vending machine, place this in here, and we'll see if it works. Give me a second. See if I could film this. So let's see if I could film this. This is the bulb LED tube. And do it at the same time. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Shit is brighter though. This thing is way brighter than the old bulb. And one thing I noticed with this old regular compact fluorescent bulb, the glass one, it gets very warm. So if you're trying to save some energy, I think the LED is a better option. And if you're trying to get away from heat, the LED is also a better option. So yeah, I think it's brighter too. Yeah, it is way brighter. Cool beans. I'm gonna actually clean this thing out, wipe it down a little bit. But yeah, that's my review of the bulb. If you guys need one, I'm gonna put it in the link in the description. I was partying last night. See with me. I'm hung over. Later.